Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechAns. So today I will show you how to recover your deactivated Instagram account by using your Android mobile, and this trick also works on iOS platforms. So if you mistakenly deactivated your Instagram profile, you can easily retry your account by sending the request form. So once you send this request form, and this Instagram team will be verify your details, but sometimes this process may take up to 24 hours. So anyway, how to send this request form? So just open your Google Chrome or any other web browser and then search my Instagram account was deactivated. So here you can click to access this second one, and which is the official help page of Instagram. So in top they describe about this form, and in followed by they ask some details about your Instagram account. So I try to put the details by one, and the first one is full name, and this is your original name. So the next one is email address. So here you can enter your Instagram account linked email ID, and also put your Instagram username. And the next one is mobile number. And finally briefly explain about this issue. So once you type your problem and finally click to send this request form. So I hope this Instagram team will soon verify your personal details, and also they immediately reactivate your same Instagram profile. So anyway, if maybe you did not receive any confirmation message for more than 24 hours, just comment to me. I give some other ideas to retry your Instagram account. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechAns, and thanks for watching.